the ANS feature correctly on the calculator in the order of operations with the problems, because your values were still pretty far off. I'm going to focus on the second one because it's more difficult, because we need to find the value in here, and then we need to say 50,000 divided by that value. So let's look on a calculator. I can't show you the TA very easily on my computer, but I can show you just here we can use just a Google calculator here. So I want to start with that inner part. So I'm going to start with 1 plus, and again I want to make sure that I'm first doing the division and then the addition. So I'm telling it do the division and then addition, because it should do that in order of operations anyways, but just being careful. And now I want to raise this to that negative power. So again, it just automatically took ANS. So when I pressed this button, it automatically took it as ANS. So raise to the negative 20, because that's 2 times 10. And now where ANS is really valuable, because I want to say 1 minus that. So if I say 1 minus, see here's ANS, so that's going to pull in all those decimal points, because with so many places to round here, if I'm constantly rounding, it's going to change my answer considerably. All right, so now I have that 1 minus that. Now I need to do the division that's there, so I need to divide it by 0.08 divided by 2. All right, now I have, this is R times this amount, and it equals 50,000, so it means I need to take 50,000 and divide it by ANS, and that's going to give me how much. I think this is what let's go back and look at the problem real quick. Forgot the problem. This was, I think he's drawing this, right? So this is how much is going to come out for him twice a year, right? So it's really not that much money. And just to show you that when you do that correctly, you do get the right answer. Oh, the last little bit is on, you do have to round at the end. So let's go just to point out that this is 0.08, but because this is a 7 and we're talking about American money, we're going to then round that to a 9.